how to use True North in the Compass app on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Next, scroll through the list and select Compass. On the Compass settings screen, look for the Use True North option. Tap the toggle next to Use True North to turn it on. When this setting is enabled, your iPhone's Compass app will use True North instead of Magnetic North. True North points toward the geographic North Pole, while Magnetic North points toward the Earth's magnetic pole, which can vary depending on your location. After enabling the setting, go back and open the Compass app. Your compass will now be oriented using True North for more accurate navigation. You may also notice the red arrow showing the difference between Magnetic North and True North, known as magnetic declination. For the best results, make sure location services are enabled for the Compass app and calibrate the compass if needed. That's it. You've successfully enabled and started using True North on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.